This is a 2012 Forest River Solera. It's 24 feet long, it has one slide out, and it only has 9,000 miles. Also comes with a power patio awning, a Mercedes 3.0 liter diesel engine, has a 7-inch touchscreen monitor, this unit has a large bed over the cab, has two matching leather electronic chairs, also has an LCD TV that lowers and rises into the cabinet. In the kitchen we have a single sink, oven with 3 burners, microwave. Also have a 2-door Dometic refrigerator freezer, plenty of storage space. In the rear we have a bathroom, sink and vanity. It's a corner shower with glass surround and a skylight. Also has a seat in the shower. Private porcelain toilet. And both of the chairs fold down electronically, and there's a queen size bed on the wall. Large queen-size bed that stores easily with an electronic lift. Once again, this is a 2012 Forest River Solera. One slide out, only 9,000 miles.
Click here to visit our YouTube channel and see all of our video listings, or click here to see all of our current Class C motorhome video listings. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all future listings. The perfect RV for you could show up tomorrow. Don't miss out. Subscribe today.